I went and we bought a house, and it was rent-to-own. We paid down on it, and I was going to go get Title I insurance, and the lady didn't want me to, and I found out she doesn't even own the house.
Oh, wow.
It's in her late father's name, and the whole estate is mortgaged. And what is my next step? What can I do?
Has this all happened recently? Did you just learn of this recently, Betty?
Yes, sir, about a month ago.
Betty, it's a good question, a tough problem, and I'll bet our guys either will have an answer for you or tell you somebody that would. What do you think, guys?
Well, you can definitely sue her for fraud, conversion. There's a lot of actually causes of action that you can file a lawsuit on her for. It just depends if she still has the money. Unfortunately, there may be an issue there that the money's gone and be judgment proof. But if you can go and file that lawsuit, if you need an attorney or if it's like for something that you don't need an attorney for, and you get that judgment, then you get the default judgment like that we were talking about, and then maybe try to garnish wages and stuff like that. That's one avenue. Bob probably may have another one.
Well, I agree with everything that Cole just said. There is a very small chance that you might still be okay, and that is, depends on what that contract says, but if she is the heir to her late father, there's a good chance that title eventually, through the probate process, will be in her name. So if that contract, you say rent to own, it sounds a lot like what we used to call in law school a purchase money mortgage, and that would be you make payments on it, and when you get to the end of those payments, then title is vested in you. So until you make those payments all the way to the end, she really doesn't have to transfer title to you under the type contract I'm talking about, which rent to own sounds a lot like that. So there's still a possibility that she could perform under that contract. It's a small one, but
even if she might not get her money back, she might actually take possession of the property she's been paying for.
Yeah, because I know she said it has a mortgage on it, but suppose the lady gets enough from her father's estate to pay off that mortgage. Well, then when it comes time to transfer title, you might get it free and clear.